Hello, in this particular video, I'm going to talk about why we should use TestProject and how it is different from any other tools in the market. So mostly when I'm talking about new tools and technologies, and the common questions I get from the different people is, why should we use the technology and how it is different from the existing one? So that's why I'm just preparing this video so that it will give you the better idea how TestProject is different from any other tools in the market. Okay, so TestProject is a powerful cloud-based automation solution that basically designed to simplify the test automation experience. Yeah, so if you take any tools, existing tools in the market in today's world, so everybody are like something like a client-based tool where you have to download the big size tools, install it, and it needs its own effort to configure it. Some of the tool it needs different agents configurations and integration with the Jenkins or any other CI/CD or today's the modern technology is very tedious. The majority of effort goes in setting up and maintaining it. So in that way, so TestProject it's very simple. So it's a cloud based. So you just sign up and you're ready to use it. So there is nothing like configuration is required except very tiny bit of test agent configuration, which I'm going to talk about in future videos. The second point is it is completely free to use it. Of course, any tool, if it is free, so we are very happy to use it, right? So it's completely free. Okay, so if you take any other the market leading automation tools in current world is too much expensive. Most of the companies and projects, they will not have a separate budget to spend money on licenses and use them in their project. So whereas TestProject is completely free. So happy, okay? So you can use it forever. This technology is built on Selenium and APM. So the additional configuration knowledge, skill set, or effort not required. So as I already mentioned that you just sign up for this platform and you're ready to use it. So you need to maintain different versions of Selenium, because Selenium is open source. Very oftenly, weekly or monthly, different versions are keep coming up. So you need to maintain and configure that. So the same like say APM. Okay, so just every configuration it's maintained within the platform. So you just sign up and start using it. That easy. It provides it provides a powerful record and playback capability, which almost helps to generate 70% of automation steps. So if any tool in the previously, if you have used, they might be having record and playback. So those features are no use at all, right? So whereas TestProject has record and playback, it works brilliantly. It's nicely designed. You can do data driven and even extend existing actions by adding the add-ons while record and playback. So other one is one automation platform for all three major automation approach, right? So any modern applications, if you take, so built on three different layers. One is web applications and web services. The applications are most of the modern technologies that they're designing the web services and extending those services to consume in the front end, like web applications and mobile apps. So if an application has all these three different layers, so only one automation solution, TestProject solution, is enough to automate all of these different flavor of application in a one platform. Okay, it's very easy. If you take any other tools, existing tools, you have to maintain different set of projects within the project and maintain that in a GitHub repository or maybe different version control system. So it needs an extra effort to maintain that. So whereas in TestProject, that extra effort is completely zero. And this tool is completely a community-driven platform. So this tool is quite famous, and then it's growing globally. So all the people who are going to use it, they are building the different reusable actions or maybe an add-ons you can share each other. Okay, so you can build some of the features can be used by anyone and you can share that. So that's how you can collaborate with the different users globally and then reuse the somebody's work. And a quick support through built-in chat. So this platform has a built-in chat. Let's say nobody is there around you and even community is not responding for your questions or issues, you can chat with the support team. They're happy and they're very friendly to give a quick solution. Okay, and how TestProject unique? It is completely different from different automation tools. Yeah, of course, the TestProject is a very first free SaaS test automation development framework designed for agile teams. Okay, so SaaS, it's a software as a solution. It's designed and it's giving to hosted in cloud and giving as a free for entire world. It's a very first solution. So you don't need to develop any framework. You don't need to integrate with multiple different components of the different softwares. It's just sign up, you're ready to use it. So in that way, it is quite unique. And scheduling test runs within the TestProject, of course. In earlier days, or maybe in a current world as well, and people are using different build automation systems to trigger the execution of the test, right? So we use Jenkins, TeamCity, Bamboo, maybe Perforce. There are a lot of different version build automation systems are there. So we need to use that because all these, it needs an extra effort. So an expert and a skill set as required. So whereas in TestProject, it has running the scheduled tests within the platform. It has an inbuilt, so that you don't need to use any extra different software for that. And collaboration made easy. So no separate, as I already mentioned, that different version control system is not required to maintain your code or test, because TestProject it is a cloud-based and hosted. So number of people with your team just have a different accounts, the user account, they can work each other. So the collaboration is very easy, no extra money, no extra effort to maintain it. As already mentioned, that it has a very true, powerful record playback feature. Test agent concept to run tests on various platforms. Of course, as I already mentioned, that it has a very lightweight test agent software. Should be installed in your local machines or different platform like Linux or maybe different virtual systems. You can execute the test which is designed on one local machine on different platforms. So you need to use like Source Labs or Browser Stack, a different kind of grid, Selenium grid platforms are not required. You need to spend extra money for that. So you can use test agent. You can configure that. You can distribute your executions to different machines. So it's completely free. Right? Okay, so easy to use, no coding skill required. Yes, I'm not joking. No coding skill is required, definitely, if you're using TestProject. It's completely easy to use, and anybody different, juniors in the team, then easily they can learn and then start using it. And also, if you have a coding skill and you would like to develop test scripts using programming language, TestProject has a Selenium and APM powered SDK for Java and C# programming languages. You can leverage it. And lastly, it is free. So all these kind of powerful features within this tool, it's completely free. And it has a friendly team chat support whenever you met with any kind of issues. So look at that. So it's completely unique, isn't it? So compared to any other tools, spending a lot of money for the support and maintenance and different upgrades. So in that way, the TestProject, it's completely different from other tools in the market and quite more powerful. Okay, I hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and please follow. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.